In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Perplexity Pro. We'll walk through the entire upgrade process so you can start using the Pro plan right away, without confusion. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in a web browser or the official app. Make sure you're on the legitimate Perplexity site or app to keep your account and payment details secure, and consider updating the app beforehand for the smoothest experience. Next, log into your account. Use the same account you want to upgrade so your subscription is applied to the right profile. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. On desktop, you'll find it in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click it to open your account menu. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the sidebar. On mobile, your profile may appear at the top of the screen. From the menu, open Settings, or simply look for the Upgrade Plan option if it's visible. Sometimes there's a direct upgrade prompt on the Home or Settings page. Click Upgrade Plan to continue. Now you'll see plan options. Choose Perplexity Pro. Take a moment to review what's included and the pricing displayed for your region. If you see any promotional details, read them carefully to understand how they apply to your billing. You'll be asked to select a billing cycle. Choose either a monthly plan for flexibility or an annual plan if you prefer a lower effective monthly price over the year. Check the renewal date and confirm you're comfortable with the cadence. Next, enter your payment details. Fill in your card or preferred payment method, along with any required billing information. Double-check the total, including any taxes, and make sure the billing country and currency look correct. Only submit payment through the official Perplexity checkout and avoid refreshing the page while it processes. When everything looks right, click Subscribe or Pay. Give it a moment to process. Once it goes through, your Perplexity Pro subscription activates immediately. You should see confirmation on screen, and you may receive a receipt by email. Look for a Pro badge or updated plan status in your account settings to verify the upgrade. If you ever need to manage your subscription, head back to Settings to view your plan, update payment details, or review invoices. That's it. Simple, quick, and you're ready to explore Perplexity with the added power of Pro. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded experience.